this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to show you our everything working on our where's my blinkers? Where are they blink? But we'll leave that one on. Make sure they work, of course. Wipers. Blower motor works. Radio works, just can't bring in a station, so I'll double check, see if the antenna's hooked up. Horn does not work. Gauges work. Sounds really good. Motor's been rebuilt. I got the idles a little high. We're going to put that down. Put a new water pump. Power rate sounds really good. Good sounding dual exhaust. Yep, blinker works, so just the indicators do not work. So really cool car. I think almost everything works except for the horn. 605-695-7391.